What transpires when the lines of international law are seemingly blurred? A riveting example is the ongoing case of Nicaragua versus Germany before the International Court of Justice, a complex scenario that brings to light significant legal questions. In the heart of this case lie the primary arguments proposed by Nicaragua. The Central American nation asserts that Germany has breached the Convention for the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide by supplying weapons to Israel. These weapons, Nicaragua claims, have allegedly been used to commit acts of genocide against the Palestinian people. Moreover, Nicaragua contends that Germany has also violated customary international law by providing arms to Israel, knowing they could be used to perpetrate war crimes or genocide. On the flip side of the coin, Germany puts forth its defense. The European powerhouse maintains that Israel has not committed genocide against the Palestinian people, and that its military operations in Gaza have been legitimate and proportionate. Germany insists that its arms exports to Israel comply with international law, and there's no evidence that they've been used to commit either war crimes or genocide. Furthermore, Germany defends its right to support Israel in its defense against Hamas attacks, deeming Israel's security a German national interest. The International Court of Justice finds itself in a position to consider a vast array of factors in deciding this case. These include the definition of genocide as per the 1948 Convention, the legality of Israel's military operations in Gaza, Germany's awareness of the potential use of its weapons by Israel, and the principles of customary international law applicable to the transfer of arms. The outcome of this case holds great significance not only for the relations between Germany, Israel, and Nicaragua, but also for the broader discourse on international law and the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Yet predicting the outcome of this case is a labyrinthine task. The International Court of Justice is an independent and impartial tribunal, and its decision will stem from its interpretation of international law. Here are a few key points to bear in mind as we delve into this intricate issue. The International Court of Justice isn't tasked with determining whether Israel has committed genocide. Its role is solely to decide if Germany has infringed upon its international obligations by supplying weapons to Israel. The burden of proof rests with Nicaragua, as it must demonstrate that Germany has breached international law. The case's outcome could significantly impact the interpretation of international law concerning the transfer of arms. In the coming months, the International Court of Justice is expected to issue its ruling on this case. As we await the verdict, one thing is certain: the ripple effects of this case will be felt far and wide, shaping discussions on international law and the geopolitics of the Middle East.